In front of me is HMD SKYLINE, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone. Then click on this little edit icon at the top right corner of Device Name section and type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. When you finish, hit OK and then confirm your choice by tapping on OK in the second pop-up. As you can see, after that, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!